Okay, so I'm going to show you part D, and I'm just going to show you the whole thing, and I'm going to go from the and brush steps so that you can see how that fits into the time step, and then I'm going to show you how the whole like musical break works with the time step, because I think we worked on the time steps really well in class today, so I just kind of want to go over, just run through part D with you because we didn't get to do the ending. Okay, so I'm going to show you first so that you can see it. Ooh, got something on me. Okay, all right, so we're going to go and brush, toe dig, and brush, toe, and brush, toe, and brush, toe, stomp, and back shuffle, stomp, and back shuffle, stomp, and back shuffle, stomp, and back, swivel to the right and left, then step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle. Get ready to do another time step. So right after that, we go right into another time step. Stomp and back shuffle, stomp, back shuffle, stomp, back shuffle, stomp, back, swivel again, back to the left, then out, 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 out. Okay, so that's kind of the footwork for that. I'm going to go through it again nice and slow. Sorry, you can probably hear my son in the background, but that is life. Okay, so nice and slow again from the and brush toe dig. 5, 6, ready, go, and brush, toe, and brush, toe, and brush, toe, and brush. Time step, here we go, stomp, step, shuffle, stomp, step, shuffle, stomp, step, shuffle, stomp, and step, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, stomp, and back shuffle, stomp, and back shuffle, stomp, and back shuffle, stomp, step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, out, 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 out. So nice and simple. I don't think I did that very slow. So I'm going to do it again, even slower than that, so we can really work on part D nice and slow, and you can practice on your own. Okay, so 5, 6, ready, go, and brush, toe, and brush, toe, and brush, toe, and brush, toe, stomp, and back shuffle, stomp, back shuffle, stomp, step, shuffle, stomp, and step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right step, shuffle, left step, shuffle, right step, shuffle, left step, get ready, stomp, and back shuffle, stomp, and back shuffle, stomp, and back shuffle, stomp. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, out, 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 out. Okay, so I'm going to face you and do that. Now I got to rework it so that I'm mirroring you. Okay, so start with your right foot. Ready? 5, 6, ready, go, and brush, toe dig, and brush, toe dig, and brush, toe dig, and brush. Get ready, time, step, stomp, and back shuffle, hands, shuffle, hands, hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, step, shuffle, right shuffle, left shuffle, time step, left, right, left, right, left, right, out, out. Woo! Okay, so that is part D. And then I will figure out how to make an entire review video of the whole routine. Maybe I'll just go really fast through the whole routine barefoot, slowly, and then I'll figure out how to do it with my tap shoes somehow.